Welcome back to Product Critique, the go-to place for discovering game-changing products you didn't know you needed. And today, we're diving into the best Coochy After Shave Mist on the market, the IntiMD Coochy plus HydroLock Moisturizing 3-Step Kit. Whether you're new to intimate shaving or a seasoned pro, this set is designed to upgrade your entire routine from start to finish. With zero irritation, just smooth confidence. Let's set the scene. Shaving down there or on sensitive areas like underarms and inner thighs can be a nightmare. Razor bumps, ingrown hairs, itching, the struggle is real. But IntiMD has curated the ultimate trio to take your shave from pain to pampered. Step 1 starts with the Noria Pre-Shave Elixir Oil. Now this isn't your average shave prep. It's powered by something called HydroLock, a blend of 12 botanical and organic extracts. Think of it like a hydration shield. You massage it into your skin before shaving and it helps lock in moisture, prepping your skin while calming irritation before it even starts. It's a step most people skip, but once you try it, you'll wonder why you ever did without it. Moving on to the star of the show, Coochy Plus Shave Cream. This isn't just a shaving cream, it's a rich, luxe experience. It features a cocktail of powerhouse ingredients like jojoba oil, avocado oil, aloe vera, shea butter, and maca root. What that means for you? Smoother glides, zero tugging, and protection against the blade. Even the coarsest pubic or underarm hair softens like butter. And because it's fragrance-free, it's perfect for anyone with extra sensitive skin. And here comes the final and most crucial step, the Coochy Plus Aftershave Protection Mist. If you've ever shaved and then felt that sting or redness creeping in hours later, this is your secret weapon. This mist is made with soothing botanical extracts and it forms an invisible protective barrier over your skin. That means long-lasting moisture, protection against razor burn, and support for skin recovery. Just a few sprays and your skin stays calm, hydrated, and fresh. What makes this kit even better is that it's dermatologist tested, HRIPT tested, and pH balanced for intimate areas. It's safe for all skin types and genders, and yes, it's made right here in the USA. To top it all off, the packaging is beautiful. You get the pre-shave oil, shave cream, and aftershave mist in a sleek black gift box. It's an ideal self-care treat or the perfect gift for anyone in your life who values smooth skin without the stress. So if you're tired of bumps, burns, and uncomfortable shaves, give the IntiMD Coochy Plus 3-Step Kit a try. It's not just a product, it's a shaving transformation. That's it for today's review. If you liked this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Product Critique, and share this video with someone who needs to upgrade their shave game. See you next time with another product worth your time.